Pancho, where are we?
Melbourne.
What?
Melbourne.
Where's Melbourne?
It's in Japan.
The Great Ocean Road, huh?
Yeah.
Victoria. Turkey, surfing capital. Here we are, Great Ocean Road, headed towards the ocean. It's a little bit choppy.
That guy's gonna go swimming.
Driving to Bells Beach, trying to look for Bells Beach, the famous surfing spot.
Yeah, you had it all the way zoomed in, that's why.
No, then I zoomed it out. Hey Pancho, what's going on?
Sailing, man.
Where are we at?
Bells Beach.
How's the surf?
It's flat.
There's icicles coming out of the sky. We're stuck in our car. Man, hopefully this storm goes away soon. This is the all-famous surf beach, but we can't get out of our car to even check the waves. A little bit stormy here today, but we're hoping to drive. Oh, there, let up a little bit. Much better. Myanmar, what are we gonna see today?
Kangaroos.
Yeah. And maybe what else?
Koalas.
Yeah. Pancho, where are you?
Bells Beach. I'm a surfer.
Yeah? The hail stopped. It's our rental car man. We're destined to drive Camrys.
Relax, yeah? Huh? No, I don't know.
There's Pancho getting ready to surf.